What's up everybody, welcome to another 4Runner video. Today we're going from this to this. This is the Satoshi mesh grill mod on the 3rd gen 4Runner, and I'm going to walk you through my process of getting this grill on the vehicle, and I hope you enjoy. Hey, what's up y'all, Goats here. I am changing out the grill on the 4Runner. I'm going to be doing the Satoshi mesh grill mod, and I wanted to show you where I'm at with the grill. Ordered this grill from customcargrills.com. I'm halfway done or so working on this grill and wanted to show you where I was at with it. So I've been sanding for the last 2 hours or so trying to get this all filled in because there was plastic that I had to cut out so you can put the mesh backing on this. So if I hold this, let's see, kind of in the sunlight like that, you can kind of see the translucency there. I had to fill all that in because when you cut it away, there's a pretty large gap right there. And the grill itself gets kind of flimsy when you start to cut all that out. So you have to use some plastic epoxy. I just use like plastic bond, plastic weld by Weld. Filled it in, used cardboard backing. Let's see here, this stuff right here. These little 90-degree cardboard pieces that I got out of I had a shipment come to the house. I taped them along this edge here to create a nice space to use the plastic epoxy, get it filled. Got it sanded and smoothed out most of the way, but it's gonna need probably some last final stage filler just to get some of the pinholes filled in. This is the actual mesh right here. This is from customcargrills.com. So they cut this mesh specific for the 4Runner. So we're gonna have something like that. It's all said and done with. Here's the grill assembled, sanded, prepped with alcohol, taped off. Gonna spray it, get the primer on it, get some color and some clear. Hopefully do it all today. The reason I'm not giving a super detailed instruction on how to assemble this grill is because Custom Car Grills already has an amazing how-to video, and I'll provide a link to that down in the description. Primer, paint, and clear coat applied. The wind messed the camera up here, so I'm trying to adjust as best I can so you can actually see the peel on the tape and painter's paper. Next, we're going to remove all these clips. You can see down there, mine are zip tied, and these are loose, broken. Most of them are already off. So we're going to remove those now. If you made it this far, you know the video is done. The new grill is on. Overall, I'm pretty happy with it. There's a few minor imperfections from my prep work and sanding, and the color is not a perfect match, but this vehicle's 20 years old. It's been baking in the sun for a long time. I didn't really expect it to be perfect, and the hood and fenders need to be painted. I have major clear coat peel going on. Eventually what I'll do is get it professionally painted, and I'll have the painter paint the grill to match, but overall super happy with it. I have found out that my front bumper is sagging a little bit. There's 2 bolts on the driver's side that are missing. So I think that's causing the bumper to sag a little bit, creating a large gap up underneath the new grille. So I need to run to the hardware store, take care of that. That'll clean up the lines a little more. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up button. Feel free to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more Toyota content like this. I really appreciate everybody watching. I hope you're all doing well out there, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.